Good afternoon, I'm Scott Beattie, and I would like to wish you a happy 209th day of the year. And to celebrate, we are going to make some number 209 gin and tonics. I've got some beautiful vintage Collins glasses here, and we'll start the gin and tonic with 1.5 ounces of number 209 gin. To amp up the citrus component of the drink, we're going to add a little bit of grapefruit juice, just a 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit, a 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 1 dash of grapefruit bitters. We'll fill this glass completely with ice. And top this drink with some chilled Fever Tree Light Tonic water. I can't stress this enough, make sure that you've chilled this beforehand, otherwise you will be adding flat tonic water to your cocktail and then you'll have a flat cocktail and nobody likes that. We'll simply stir everything gently here to mix it together and garnish it simply with a beautiful citrus leaf. Happy 209th day of the year.